kings and queens on the other side of the screen. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a good Friday. It's finally Friday, y'all. We have made it to Friday, and y'all know what that means. It's time to talk about trading, right? It's time to talk about trading, y'all. Okay, we're going to go over 3 things today. All right, 3 topics. We're going to go over options trading, Forex trading, and a little bit about crypto. I ain't going to really deep dive into crypto because I'm not an expert. So I'm going to leave y'all to research on your own what crypto is and, what Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that good stuff is on your own, because I don't want to give y'all no wrong information, but we'll talk about that more when I get to that, right? We'll talk about that more when I get to that, but let me calm down because I'm getting geeked. I'm getting geeked, y'all. I'm getting geeked because I love trading. So let me get y'all started with these resources, right? Let's just jump right into it. Options trading. What options trading is, option stock trading, basically what that is, it's like gambling. I will say in simpler terms, it's like gambling. Basically, you're determining whether the candlestick, because in trading, there's candles that go up and down. If it goes up, it's green. If it goes down, it's red, right? So in options, you're determining which way that candle is going. If it's going to go up, you buy. If it's going to go down, you sell, right? So you basically determining which one it's going to be. And if you're correct, you get profit from it, right? So I've personally been self-teaching myself, in the markets, been testing it out on the demo account and everything first. I would suggest for newbies to do 6 months on a demo account. Get comfortable with it. Don't just jump into it and spend your regular, your hard-earned money, your actual money on this, because trading is very emotional. Trading is very emotional. You have to turn off your emotions. Okay, you have to, because if you go into emotional trading, you'll blow your account as a newbie. You will, because you're so tied to your money. You're gonna want to make that win, and when you're eager to make that win, and when you lose, you get frustrated. You want to bet more money to make that money back that you lost, and it just goes in a downward spiral. So I always tell newbies, stick with the demo account for 6 months before you actually trade your real hard-earned money. So I tell that to all newbies, but some newbies just want to jump into it, and then they don't listen, and then they blow their accounts, and then they mad at me. Like, don't get mad at me. I told you. You know what I'm saying? I told you. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like these people, and I'm not knocking these people on TikTok. I'm not knocking. You know what I'm saying? I'm not degrading. I'm not saying nothing bad about them, but these people on TikTok has been trading for years, y'all. And when y'all look at these people on TikTok making these thousands, these trade, it took them years to get there. You know what I mean? It took them years to get there. I'm not even there yet. I'm not even gonna sit here in front. I ain't got nothing to front for. I'm gonna be real and raw with y'all. Like, serious. I'm gonna be real and raw with y'all. Okay, I just literally made my $100 day, my first $100 day not too long ago, last week. So I'm happy about that. I'm grateful for that I actually learned the skill set to make $100 a day. Not consistently just yet, but I get it like every other day, every 2 days, here and there. Sometimes every week, because I'm still trying to perfect my trading. You know what I'm saying? I'm still learning as a newbie. Even though I have been trading since 2020, I haven't been consistent. Because with me, let me just say this, life has been lifing. I have been losing people in my family. Like, people been dying left and right on my mom's side and my dad. And then I got, relationships I was going through, breakups, makeups, and all of this. It was just too much. I couldn't solely focus on trading like I am now. You know what I'm saying? I'm just now starting to lock in, which is how I made my first $100 day, right? So life been lifing, okay? Along with me being depressed and having mental breakdowns at these fucked up jobs, for lack of a better term. Like, I haven't been really locked into trading consistently, but I still trade here and there and still be on the demo account and still like perfect my strategy and stuff like that. So I haven't stopped completely trading, but I haven't been consistent with it, and that's been showing. You know what I mean? But I'm grateful to have learned the skill set that I have learned to be able to make $100, to turn $10 into $100. That's what I can teach someone. And I want to teach a complete newbie how to do that. So that's what this video is for, right? I'm not going to teach y'all how to do it in this video. We're going to say that for later. I just want to get y'all started, right? I want to get y'all started in this video. So like I said, with options trading, it's a gamble. You basically determine where the scale is going to go, up or down, buy or sell. I would say it's way riskier than Forex. I will say it's way riskier. And I will get into why when I talk about Forex. It's way riskier because you're basically taking a gamble. Because once you hit buy or sell, you cannot stop that trade at all. You can't stop it. So all your emotions have to go out the window, or you will be fucked. I will say you will be mentally fucked. Okay. So that's options trading. And to get y'all started with options trading, I will say to use a platform called Pocket Options. Pocket Options is very newbie friendly. They have I'm talking about an amazing platform and community of people who trade and will help you. Their support is chef's kiss. Their support is chef's kiss. If something is going on with your money, or if you don't get your money, they will respond right back and they will make sure you get paid. I ain't had no problems with Pocket Options since 2018. Well, since 2020. I need to stop saying 2018. Since 2020, I haven't had no problems with Pocket Options, right? So it's an amazing platform. And you can refer their platform. And when people sign up, if you get a referral link with Pocket Options, because they have an affiliate program, and people fund their, accounts, you get a percentage of that. But I haven't been doing that. I should have been doing that, but I haven't been doing that because I think they recently just made it, honestly. Like last year, I believe. But don't quote me on it because I haven't been keeping up with like the affiliate stuff. Because like I said, I just care about making money with trading. But that would be an extra little income stream if I do put people on. I'm just saying. But that's Pocket Options. It's very newbie friendly. They have a demo account. They have a demo account for options trading and for Forex trading. So that's why I love Pocket Options, because they got both. Most platforms don't have both trading platforms, like both trading systems like that. It's either one or the other. It's either a main options trading platform, it's a main Forex. But I like Pocket Options for that reason. So I would check out Pocket Options down in the description and sign up. The sign up process is real easy. You will have to put your ID in there when you get started. You will have to verify yourself, because if you don't verify yourself, they don't want to pay you because they think you a bot or something like that. So you want to verify yourself. I guarantee your information is secure. They're not scammers. I don't know why people been talking about Pocket Options, saying it's a scam and all this, that, and the third. Pocket Options is A1. They the GOAT. I don't care what nobody say. They is so good at they so good at keeping your money secure, for sure. So that's Pocket Options. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. Now, a mentor that I'm gonna sign up for and be a part of. I want to talk about my mentor for real quick, right? That I'm gonna get into. His name is Jeremy, and he is the founder of Uncommon Education, right? That's his trading platform, or his trading course, I should say. It's $150 a month, right? It's $150 a month, but it's so worth it. It's so worth it, right? It's so worth it. He literally will teach you everything about options, and he won't hold nothing back. I'm going to leave his Instagram to sign up for Uncommon Education in the description box below, because if you go through his Instagram profile, you will see a lot of testimonials of people making bank. Okay, like making bank. I did some research on him before I talked to him personally. So if you ever see this video, I talked to him personally. He haven't seen my face, but we just talked through Instagram DMs. He probably talked to hundreds of his students. He probably don't remember us all by heart, but I talked to him personally, and he's a real laid back, cool dude. He real legit. He gets people results, and he don't hold nothing back. He don't BS you with nothing. So I'm definitely gonna be signing up with him real soon to, master my options trading. So I can't wait. Like, again, his name is Jeremy. His platform is named Uncommon Education. Please check it out in the description box below, y'all. I'm telling y'all won't be disappointed. And that's options trading. Now, let's go on to Forex trading, right? My fave. Okay, my second fave, I should say. Forex trading. So let's start by saying this. The Forex market is the biggest financial market in the world. Let's just say that. Forex is the biggest trading platform in the world. Okay, it's the biggest trading market in the world, right? It makes, I think it makes 6 now, but I'm not sure. It makes $5 or $6 trillion per day, y'all, in the market. 5-6 trillion. Y'all, what other platform or what other market make $5 or $6 trillion per day in the market? It's not the stocks. It's not Bitcoin. It's not crypto. Forex is the only one that makes that much. It's the largest financial market in the world. That's what banks use. When you put your money in the banks, right? Let me say this. When you put your money in a bank account, your money don't stay there. It just looks like it stay there. Let me put y'all onto something, right? Let me put y'all onto something. But I'm gonna give y'all some tea real quick. When y'all put y'all money in the banks, right? It don't stay there. It just looks like it stay there. They be trading y'all money for currency, for different currencies around the world. That's what Forex is. Forex trading is basically trading one currency for the next currency and getting a return back on that currency. Let me explain. I know I kind of lost y'all for that. I know I kind of lost y'all with that. Hold on, let me explain. Forex is basically when you trade the US dollar, and let's say you go to Japan, right? Because I love Japan. Y'all know that about me later on in my other YouTube channels that I create. But I love Japan, so let's just do Japan. You trade in the US dollar, right, for the Japanese yen, right? And you get a difference of that, right? When you trade it back, when it comes back, let's say you just flew to Japan, boom, you got a Japanese yen now. You got that US dollar currency into Japanese yen. And when you come back to the US, you've gained a profit from that. You gained a small profit from exchanging it back. That's the foreign exchange. That's foreign exchange market, right? Or Forex. Forex is short for foreign exchange market. So that's basically what Forex is. I'm gonna leave probably a video below on a more in-depth description of what that is, but that's basically what Forex is. You trade in one currency for another currency and making a profit. But the difference with Forex from options trading is you have a thing called a stop loss with Forex. A stop loss is basically when you're in that trade, you can stop it. You can literally say, okay, this is where I want to start the trade. This is where I want to stop it. And boom, you can just make your profit in that little bit. If you can determine in that little space that you're going to make profit, and you see, like, let's say beyond this space that you know you're going to flop or you're going to lose money, you can stop. You can stop your stuff. You can stop the trade and your money won't get lost at all. But with options, you can't do that. Options trading do not have a stop loss. Once you in that trade, you in that trade to the end. Okay. But if you're in the middle of a trade in Forex, you can stop it or you can continue it. You don't have to stop it, but Forex definitely has that option to stop your trades, and so you won't lose money. So I just want to put that little disclaimer out of there, but the difference between Forex and options trading. And I want to give y'all 2 resources on Forex trading to get started completely free, right? There's these 2 platforms. One is Babypips. That's what I learned from at first, right? That's what I learned from. It takes you from literally kindergarten to college graduation. I think that's how they set up their learning, from kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, whatever. You know what I'm saying? They set it up like that, like from complete newbie to learning what a pip is, what a lot is, what a stop loss is, all of that good stuff, right? So it takes you from beginning to end, and it's chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Everything I'm giving y'all is chef's kiss on information, okay? Take it. Take heed. Indulge in it, okay? Please. It's a free platform. It's always free. Babypips been around for years, teaching people how to Forex trade, okay? Getting people started with it, right? And when y'all learn, take that platform, Pocket Options. Take that platform and start practicing on the demo, on what y'all learn. Learn something and apply it. Take action on, what you learned and stuff, and really get some hands-on experience with it. Interact, you know what I mean? Bring them both together. That's why I'm giving y'all these resources. But that's Babypips. Very simple platform. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's a cute little platform. Y'all love it. The Babypips will be in the description box. The second one is for more experienced traders, but it's also for newbies. But it's for more experienced traders as well. It's called FXAcademy, right? So FXAcademy, I would say it could be for newbies that don't know. I think they do start you off with like what a pip is, what a lot is, what a stop loss, what a what foreign exchange is, and all of that good stuff. It gives you that information, but it's really for more, I would say, more intermediate traders that's not complete newbies, but intermediate to advanced traders. They give a lot of information as well. I would say if you're intermediate to advanced, you've been dabbling in Forex trading for a minute, then get on that. Get on FXAcademy. Don't just get on FXAcademy as a newbie. I would suggest Babypips first. Go through Babypips first and then do FXAcademy. But I'm going to leave the link to that in the description box below as well. Now, let me go over BK Academy, right? Let me go over BK Academy. They're by two African-American, they're by two African-Americans. They're a couple. They're a married couple, right? And they created BK Academy for newbies to mentor them and give them mentorship and walk them through the process of being a profitable Forex trader. And I want to get into this. Now, their academy is $600. I will say it's $600, y'all. Lifetime, right? I haven't paid it myself, so this isn't a review, but I will be paying for it soon. I will be paying for it soon once I start working. You know what I'm saying? Once I start working, and because I could use my trading money, but I really want to build my trading account, so I don't want to use my trading money to pay for it. I really don't. It took me a while to get it where it is, so no, I'm not gonna waste my money on that. Well, I'm not wasting it, but I don't want to invest that. I'd rather just wait and really do more research. Like, I did a little research on BK Academy, but I haven't really went through their YouTube channel and stuff like that to invest in them just yet. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm rambling. It's a good academy. With the reviews and everything that I have seen, but I'm going to go through their YouTube channel, and I'm going to leave that in the description for y'all too. I'm going to go through their YouTube channel. I'm going to really go through their academy and see if it's worth investing in. And if it is, then I will invest in it. But it do look like a good academy, though. It do look like they do take newbies step by step. And they do what I love about them that I've read, they take like the steps of Forex. Like, they take the information and they make you can't move forward in that course until you've actually done it and you actually understand it. So they put a hands-on aspect with, excuse me, they put a hands-on aspect with Forex. And I love that. You know what I'm saying? I love that so much. I love that hands-on, connection and that hands-on interaction while I'm learning. I love that. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to do more research. And when I invest in it, I'm going to let y'all know how it is. Okay? I'm going to let y'all know how it is. But it is $600 for a lifetime. And I think you still got to pay, like, if they do signals and indicators per month. I think they do signals and indicators when you trade with them live. And you do got to pay for that monthly. But I'm not sure what the prices are on that. But I'm going to put the information on BK Academy as well in the description box below so y'all know. And y'all can see and do y'all due diligence. If y'all, want to invest in it right now, y'all can. I'm just putting information out there for y'all. But I'm going to invest in it when I feel like it. I still got to do a little bit more research before I do that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't ready to deep dive into it just yet. Because I kind of want to master my options trading first and then go into Forex trading. So that's really why I've been hesitant too. But at the same time, I kind of did want to just pay the $600 and just, just have it. Just have that lifetime access, just in case, like, whenever I do want to get into it, I can. But I'm going to wait. I ain't going to deep dive into it just yet. I'm going to save my little coins for right now. But yeah, that's BK Academy. It's basically an African-American couple that had a passion for trading. They learned, and they just want to teach others. And they want to put people on and create other six-figure trainers. Not trainers, other six-figure traders. And I think that's amazing how people just, fall in love with something and want to teach. That's so me, you know what I'm saying? Because I fell in love with teaching people how to make money. So that's why I created this channel for real. Like, anyways, I'm rambling. That's BK Academy, y'all. The information will be in the description box below. But let me get into my next topic because it's already on 20 minutes. I don't want to talk no longer than 25 minutes. So give me 5 more minutes of y'all time, right? Let's talk about crypto, because I ain't gonna talk about crypto too long. Like I said, I ain't no expert, and I want to guide y'all to the experts, right? So I'm not an expert in crypto, so I don't want to give y'all the wrong information. But basically, cryptocurrency is basically just another currency like regular money. It's just digital, right? It's just digital money, digital assets, if you will. And if you put these assets in this thing called a blockchain wallet, right? Because the blockchain is more secure than what banks are, right? Because in banks, let me rewind, with Forex, they're exchanging your money, y'all. with Forex and bank accounts. They're exchanging your money for different currencies around the world. And then they just, put an interest on it as time go by. You know what I'm saying? But you're not profiting. So why not profit with it in Forex, right? Why not learn that and learn what the banks are doing with y'all money? Because they profiting from y'all. Y'all money that y'all put in there, they're trading that money. But like I said, let me stop. I could talk about Forex all day. But the blockchain wallet, y'all, the blockchain itself is more secure than a bank account. It's very secure. Okay? Banks are not secure. They're not. They're not secure at all. Anybody can go in and take your money. Anybody. They're already doing it. You just don't know. But with a blockchain, you only have access to that blockchain wallet. Only you. So I think that's pretty neat in a way. Like, I love that about crypto. I think that's why I fell in love with it. Like, everybody wants that to have that and know that they have that security with their money, right? So, and crypto has really skyrocketed to like 100K. And I remember when Bitcoin was just 30K, when it started off at 30K, which was crazy. Like, the way it's evolving is just amazing. But I'm gonna talk about Shameless Mya. I want to talk to y'all about Shameless Mya real quick. She's a YouTuber and she has this video on crypto for beginners. I'm gonna leave her link, her YouTube channel in the description as well. She gives a whole rundown on Bitcoin. Okay, she goes a whole rundown. So just watch that video. It's like 20-30 minutes. I think it's 30, maybe 40 minutes. I don't know. I don't think it's no more than 40 minutes. But don't quote me. But she goes over the rundown of Bitcoin, okay? She tells you the ins and outs of Bitcoin, how she got started and stuff like that. I really love Shameless Mya. She really breaks everything down for a newbie. So I really like that. And I'm going to put that resource in the description for y'all, right? Because I got y'all, right? I got y'all. I'm putting y'all onto people. I'm putting y'all on people that I've watched for years, okay? So watch her video and y'all know everything about Bitcoin. Like I said, I don't want to say nothing wrong. So in order for me to not say nothing wrong, I'm going to just be quiet. I'm going to shut my mouth. Okay, y'all can do y'all own little research on Bitcoin. But I do want to give y'all two other resources. I want to give y'all a Bitcoin miner to earn some things called Satoshis. Now, you need, I believe, I don't even know how many Satoshis you need for one Bitcoin. I think it's 100K? I don't know. Don't quote me. I don't know how many Satoshis, but Satoshi is the lowest amount of Bitcoin. It's like the first thing. It's like 1 cent. It's literally like a penny. It's the penny of Bitcoin, right? So you need like hella Satoshis to make one Bitcoin. I'm not even gonna put an amount in there because I'm not sure of the amount, but you need hella Satoshis. But if you get this app called Bitcoin Miner, you can earn Satoshis and see how your Bitcoin grow. They teach you a lot about Bitcoin. They really do. I really love Bitcoin Miner. You do earn slow, but it's a way to really get to know Bitcoin and the different types of cryptocurrency that's out there. Because they got Bitcoin, they got Solana, they got Dodge, they got really all of the cryptos. So you learn really a lot about the cryptocurrency through that little game. It's real fun. It's really addicting too. So I'll get Bitcoin Miner. It's on Apple and iPhone. So get Bitcoin Miner. I'm gonna leave the link to that in the description as well. And then we're going to talk about, lastly, we're going to talk about the ZBD wallet. Because when you get Bitcoin Miner, you got to connect the ZBD wallet. Now, the ZBD wallet is a wallet that holds your Bitcoin, right? And you can earn Bitcoin for free. You can do shopping. You can play games. You can do surveys. You can do a little poll to earn Bitcoin. Well, not Bitcoin, but earn Satoshis every day to add it up. You know what I'm saying? They add up pretty quick once you do like stay consistent with it and stuff like that. If you stay consistent with the apps, you'll earn pretty quickly. But the ZBD wallet is chef's kiss as well. Like I ain't never had no problems, and it connects to Cash App. So whenever you do want to cash out your money or whatever money amount you get, you can cash out to Cash App, and it goes straight to your Bitcoin. And I'm gonna go through all of that and how to connect the wallet and stuff in another video because I'm already at 25 minutes. So I don't want to talk y'all ear off on how to connect it. That'll be another video on how to connect your wallet to Cash App and all of that good stuff. But this video has been a mouthful. I hope y'all have value on trading, and I hope y'all get started. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all get all the resources and follow all the resources to get started trading and, you know, being a part of the markets. You know what I'm saying? It's really fun. It's a really good pastime. I feel like trading is the best business to start. It's the best side hustle to start because you don't need no customers. You don't need no customers. You don't need no products. You don't need no You don't need nothing. You don't need to market it to make money. You can just literally just learn and earn. Learn and earn. That's it. You in the markets. That's all it is. You don't need all this extra shit like every other business out there, right? So that's why trading is really near and dear to my heart, because you don't need all this extra shit to really build it up. It's really on you and your knowledge, for real. Once you sharpen your knowledge, you sharpen your money. So, but that's all I got for this video. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. But this is a nice video. I like this video. This video made me real happy. I hope this made y'all happy too. Give it a thumbs up and a like, and leave a comment down below. I'm gonna leave all the resources in the description. And be you, do you, and stay true in everything that you do. And I promise everything will come back the way you want it to, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video on trading, and I will see y'all tomorrow on budgeting, saving, and investing. All right, and something bigger than yourself. Peace and much love, y'all. Bye. See y'all in the next one.